Okay, so I've got a BlitzWolf camera lens, 120 degrees wide angle lens for smartphones. So it's compatible with both the iPhone and Android phones. And this is from Banggood. So let's see what's in the box, and after that I will do some testing. So hang out. This is the box. And as you can see here, model number and name and so on of the wide angle lens. Opening the box, and we see a carrying case. Looks nice and feels nice. And here are some user manuals and other information in the box. User manual. That's what's in the box. Let's open this carrying case. Nice. In the carrying case we have a clean nice quality. And here we have the lens and a strap holder. And here we have a universal locus clip. That should fit almost any phone. And here we have the lens. Lens protection. Okay, let's put this on somehow. Just screw it on like this. And then remove the lens cap. Like that. Looks nice. And now we will do some testing. First, put it on my Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. And I will use the front camera for this test. So okay, so this is recorded with a wide angle lens attached to my Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. It was a bit hard to put it exactly right on the lens, at least on the front facing camera, but I think now we have this video in a more wide angle. Let's see how it will be when I remove this wide angle lens. And as you can see, I still have it at the same place in my hand, at the same length between the phone and me talking. So this was a lot more wide angle, as you could see. Let's try to put it on again, like that. As you can see, it's more wide angled now. You can see more around me, and when I take this off, you only see my head mostly. So this 120 degrees wide angle lens absolutely help with doing, for example, vlogs like this. A lot better for that, because you can have it more near you and so on, the phone, but still have a lot of things and stuff around you at the side of you. So this is pretty neat. I can highly recommend this wide angle lens. You will find links to this wide angle lens down below in the description text, where you can buy it and so on, read more about it, see photos and all that. So go check that out, because I recommend this wide angle lens 120 degrees, because you can do a lot better vlogs with it. Go check it out. Okay, bye.